Have you noticed water leaking out of your glass shower, but you're not exactly sure where it's coming from? In my case, I found water collecting along the outside edge of the tile after every shower. At first, I wasn't sure if the water was leaking around the shower door and running along the edge, or if it was actually coming through the shower enclosure itself. To track it down, I used a simple trick. I placed strips of toilet paper along the edge of the shower and around the areas where I suspected the leak might be coming from. Then I turned on the shower and watched to see which sections became wet. You can also use a handheld shower wand to spray specific areas one at a time. This makes it much easier to pinpoint the exact source of the leak instead of soaking the entire shower and trying to guess where the water entered. In my case, the toilet paper near the shower door stayed completely dry. That told me the door wasn't the problem and water wasn't running around the corner from somewhere else. The wet area led me directly to the actual source of the leak. I found a small gap where the silicone sealant had failed at the bottom edge of one of the glass panels. There was also a small crack in the grout nearby. Once I identified the problem, the repair was straightforward. I cleaned and dried the area thoroughly, then applied a clear waterproof silicone sealant designed for bathroom and shower use. I'll put a link to the product I used in the description below. After smoothing the silicone into the gap and allowing it to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions, it was time for the final test. I repeated the same shower test and checked all of the areas where water had previously appeared. This time, everything stayed completely dry. The leak was gone. If you're dealing with a mystery shower leak, try the toilet paper test before tearing anything apart. It's a quick and inexpensive way to narrow down the problem and identify exactly where the water is escaping. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more home repair and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.